with my sister. We have tried the Flower Girl makeup with my sister Ate Kiss. He's like right there, but you couldn't see it because there's no room for the cellphone, so she just put it there. So we are going to like tanggal the makeup now with my sister. Put it there. Cleanse it. Oh, oh thank you. Oh, what's that? Oh, let's do it. It's not like, oh, my brother. That's my lyrics.
Don't be harsh. Be gentle lang.
Okay, that was it. I took my skin on that debut.
Huwag muna yun yung bibig mo. Oh, yung eyes muna, oh.
Ice! My sister doing it. Oh my god. So much makeup. I think the eyeliner not gonna come off.
One swipe, look. Your brush is out.
Oh no. Give me a blush.
Don't be harsh. Be gentle.
My eyes! My nose. Boo, boo, boo. No, I don't do that. It is very Let's just wipe out the rest.
Wag!
Huh?
Sige na. May mga arte naman.
Okay, and this is my normal face now, so...
Hindi mo muna tanggal ng maayos, oh.
Yes, ate. Yes, ate. Oh my god, there's so much makeup!
Pagtanggal ng waterproof mascara.
Waterproof mascara. That's for the mascara. Itatanggal na yung mascara. And this is the final look for my face. Well, my hair is just like gulo-gulo now, so goodbye guys!
Last.
This is the last one. I get to
Serum.
This is serum.
Lip serum.
This is lip serum, and I just
Kasi ito pa, oh.
Ooh,
Pikit ka muna.
I have glasses.
Bilisan mo.
Okay.
Ay,
What made me laugh?
Oo eh. Oh, sige na. Sige na.
So, goodbye guys!